In this tutorial, we shall try to answer a popular board question on limitations of credit creation. This is the question. Discuss any two limitations of credit creation by commercial banks. It appeared in 2019 carrying 3 marks. The answer: banking system can multiply the money supply by money multiplier times the primary deposit through its ability to create credit. For example, assume the primary deposit delta D is rupees 1000, money multiplier K 5. The increase in money supply must be delta M equal to delta D times K. Delta M equal to 1000 times 5, rupees 5000. It means the bank can create credit to the tune of 5000 rupees from the deposit of 1000 rupees. This is possible only when all the conditions of credit creation is fulfilled and there is no leakage in the credit chain. Very often, the leakages in the credit chain prevent the banking system from reaching the end of the chain. We shall examine two such leakages here. 1. Borrowed amount not deposited back. 2. Nature of business condition. We shall discuss the first limitation. Borrowed amount not deposited back. Success of credit creation largely depends on borrower depositing the loan amount back with the banking system. A borrower failing to deposit the borrowed money back in a bank acts as a leakage in credit creation. This curtails the bank's ability to create credit. It is one of the limitations. Higher the leakage, less will be the credit creation. The second limitation, nature of business condition. Nature of business condition acts as another limitation. The borrowing is done largely by the business community. Their borrowing depends on business condition. If the business climate is not favorable, they borrow less. The banks are willing to lend, but the borrowers are not willing to borrow. It becomes a serious limitation on the ability of the banks to create credit to the full extent. The answer ends here. We shall meet in the next video.